because they help keep everyone safe on the road. First, we should always wear our seat belt because it protects us in case of an accident. Second, guys, we should remember to stick to the speed limit because speeding can cause dangerous accidents and situations. Third, remember never to use our phone while driving. Distractions may cause us to lose focus and make mistakes. And guys, also remember always to obey traffic signals and signs. Guys, by following these simple steps, we can ensure the safety of everyone on the road. That's all. Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.